back here for another unboxing video. Today we have the Gemini Jets Boeing 737-800. It was the Freedom livery. I'll most likely put an image up on the screen, but you know, if I can't figure out how to edit that, probably won't. But so this is the 1-400 model. It's a nice case. It's in a beautiful aircraft. It's actually Southwest's first 737-800 special livery. So let's open it. So, box, there's really nothing special. Like always, it's white, but I just love this livery, so that's the whole reason we have this today. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's one side. So I've yet to unbox this, but there we go. Toss that to the side. So far it looks pretty nice. Let's pull this casing off real quick. No one likes casing on their nice Gemini jet. I don't think I'll be able to get this. Wait, here we are. Yep, almost done. There we go. So now, take that wrapping off, and we have a nice jet. So, this is an amazing aircraft. Absolutely insane. I love this thing. It's amazing detail. You know, most of the time I'm like, hey, this isn't gonna have much detail, but this has everything. Only thing I don't like, the fact that, you know, it's kind of greasy. I'm not 100% sure why, but it feels like sunscreen. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video where we will be attempting to 3D print an airplane. Till then, thank you for watching. Aviator Griff out.